Hello.
How are you?
All right. How are you doing? So have you filled out your application for the PTD?
What is that?
Did your attorney not speak to you about the pretrial diversion?
Yeah, I told him I didn't want to take any type of probation or anything due to my veteran status, and me and my parents have already, my mother.
But your attorney will speak to you about people dropping charges, because some cases the complainant can say they don't want to go forward, but this is not the complainant's case. It's the state of Texas versus, and the reason why it says the state of Texas versus, whenever you have alleged crimes that have been committed, the crime is against the state of Texas.
Okay.
So, Ms. Ferguson, she doesn't want PTD, so give me a jury trial setting, please.
So if I take it to trial, that means that
Something called jury selection, because this is a felony. 12 people will sit in the box, and the state will present their case through witness testimony or whatever evidence they have. And then you and your attorney can present evidence if you choose to. You don't have to, because the burden is on the state. And then the jury will deliberate after closing arguments, and they will make a decision on whether you're guilty or not guilty. If they say that you're guilty, this is a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility. And depending, I don't know your case, all I know is the charges, so you may be eligible for probation from a... All right. All right, so Ms. Shepherd, you'll be meeting in impact court instead of here for your jury trial.
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, are you Ms. Gardia?
Yes, I'm Miss.
All right, is there a reason you're not in court today?
I'm very ill.
All right, what is your issue?
I don't know how to pinpoint all of them, but I'm having a problem living. I can't make it there. I cannot.
All right, if you don't have a doctor's excuse or something from your attorney that you're in the hospital,
then
you're gonna have to come to court.
Hospital. This is to keep me what do you call it? Every time I do that, something bad happens to me.
Every time you come to court?
No, every time I go to the hospital, I can't, or do I have to go to a doctor or go to the hospital? There is an exploitation going on, identity theft and DNA, through DNA, harvesting DNA for identity theft purposes with Haven for Hope, and etc., etc., etc. And I am a victim for almost 20 years. This is my issue, and I got abducted through them following me and falsely accusing me of this, what was going on. I am not a mental schizophrenic, paranoid, all the other things that they're saying. That's how they did it, through the internet.
So,
this is my situation.
All right,
So
I understand.
If I do that, this whole thing is going to go, and I am going to go.
I need you to come in so that your attorney can speak to you in court, and so that your attorney can review your case in court. All right, is there anything else? All right, thank you, Ms. Gardia, and thank you to the person who helped her zoom in. Hello? All right, so today is your plea deadline date?
Judge, I spoke to the state. Today is the first day we have power back in our building. We've been without power for like 3 weeks. So we're a little behind on trying to get some things, just opening.
Master movies. Everybody wants to put things on computers. And I always say, it's great to put it on there. It's great to have backup, but you still need the paper. What happens if system goes down? And I've been the canary in the coal mine here as well. I've been telling people what happens, because they're putting everything online. What happens if this system fails? And it appears that it may fail, because how long have we been waiting for Odyssey to go live? Has this been like 20 years or something? There was a rumor of this when I first started practicing. So it's been over 20 years, and then other places. And here's my prediction. I predict that it's not going to be live in May. That's just me. Jim Weed, are you with me on that?
I've been texture highly. Talk to somebody. That program is called. When it costs too much.
There we go. Texture. That's what it's called?
TechShare.
TechShare. All right, TechShare, people. TechShare.
Travis County uses it. There's a bunch of counties.
And to me, they're doing
Today, I think, is the 8th. Just let me catch up on a couple of things, because I have some things I want to present before we make our decision. We do have a tweak to the offer, which may help, but if you could give us to the 8th, that should work.
All right, Norma. Can you recall this for the 8th?